Today I'm working on 2009 BMW 328xi. In this episode I'm going to show you how to fix your 4x4 light if you have on a dash 4x4 traction control light and brake light. Just follow me and I'll show you how to fix it. So most of the time it's gonna be a transfer case motor, so I'm going to show you how to replace that or rebuild that. Alright guys, here's your transfer case motor, and you don't have to move these covers. It's possible to move it like that, so you're not gonna waste your time. So there's like star bolts. I don't know what size is that, but you can figure it out. And we need to take it out and see the condition of that gear inside of this motor. So the motor is out. Let's see what's going on inside. So guys, this is how it look like now. Like this gear supposed to be straight, and it's a lot of metal pieces inside of that box, and I have some spare one, and it should look like that. This gear looks good. Or sometimes the problem it's inside the gear and you can order those gears, but the new part is gonna cost you like $450, so it's not that cheap. So we just gonna rebuild this. So guys, this is your issue, but also check inside and make sure all these gears they good and none of them damaged or like eaten right here. So this one looks good, but I'm gonna clean it. This grease, I'm gonna clean this grease and wanna double check if this gear looks good. Alright guys, this gear looks good, and I'm glad that I had the spare part. But if you don't have the spare part like me, just you need to buy this whole thing, and it's gonna cost you around $450, and you just need to replace that transfer case motor, and your 4x4 light is gone and your car should drive smooth. If you want to check if your actual motor works, you can take the battery and connect to the battery 2 wires, and you can put one wire on pin number 8 and another one on pin number 1, and you will check if your actual motor works. Alright, now it's complete, and I'm gonna put this back in the car. So after you put these screws back in, you need to put the sensor and connect these 2 connectors. So if you want, guys, you can move this transmission mount and all these covers, but I've done this before. I know I can squeeze it right here, so I do it this way. Alright guys, and last thing what we need to do, we need to erase our fault codes with our scanner, and that's it. The 4x4 light should be gone. Alright guys, that's it. The light is gone. Alright guys, that's it. That was really easy fix. The link for the transfer case motor gonna be in description below. Check that, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.